Two for 16 quid. I'll have to get another couple of these, I think. What a bargain. Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. I hope we're all good. So I went and purchased some decent compost because the stuff that I used to top up the new raised beds was quite cheap stuff, but it doesn't seem to be that good. And I'm really determined to grow Lisbon white spring onions. So the ones I planted in here a few weeks ago, the only thing that seems to be growing is the bindweed. So this raised bed, I haven't planted anything in it yet. So with the help of this stuff, let's see how this goes, because I'm determined I'm going to have spring onions. Look, I think that's nice, but I think it's the old thing, you get what you pay for. Oh yeah, you can see that's nice compost. In there. And there we have it. That was a quick one. So keep your fingers across for me, and I'll see you on the next one.